Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Apple Watch, given to repair or buy new ones? Last year, Apple Watch became the most popular smartwatch. Experts from IDC reported that the device occupies more than half of the world market, leaving the closest competitors far behind. Even all Swiss manufacturers together cannot bypass them by popularity. Reliability of Apple Watch is also not to take, because Series 2 and Series 3 almost do not have weaknesses. But in some cases, you still have to visit the service center. ModMax specialists shared with us the strengths of Apple's smartwatches, as well as the problems that Apple Watch owners may face. So, in the case of Series 2 and Series 3, there is no need to replace the battery. Even loops and other elements are not damaged and do not wear out during operation. The case of the watch is also very durable. The maximum can be applied with minimal chips or scratches. For more serious damage you need to try. Therefore, the only problem with which users regularly access the service center is Apple Watch's broken display. And it does not matter which type of glass is installed in the clock, the usual Onyx or Sapphire, when you hit or fall, the clock strikes the same. What to do in this case? Buy a new watch or still try to repair it? At the moment, the spare parts market does not have copies of the displays, so 70 to 90% of the service centers do not provide a service to replace the broken display of Apple Watch. Original parts can only be obtained by analyzing new watches. Because of this, the cost of repair is quite high. This price includes the cost of the spare part itself, and the work of the master. At the same time, the repair price is much lower than buying the new Apple Watch Series 2, so repairing the clock is really advisable. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.